there's something very wrong. And you're exactly right. They are, people in Congress, politicians, they're beating the stock market. They're getting a severe head start, a drastic head start on it, while the American people are falling back, while we're dealing with record inflation. It's over 9%. While we're dealing with an economic crisis, we're dealing with an administration who wants to go everywhere else and beg for oil, but doesn't want to produce any oil here. And as a result, gas prices are as high as they are. And it's really insulting, Kathy. I just got to say, it's very insulting when gas prices are double what they were the day Joe Biden took office, and gas prices have gone down, I don't know, maybe 10 cents the past several days, and he's out there bragging about it. He's out there saying, oh, look, Americans, look at all this relief I've provided you. Gas prices may be double what they were before I took into office, but now they're 10 cents cheaper than what they were, last week. It is so grotesque. Really, it's North Korean propaganda. North Korea would be jealous of the propaganda coming from the White House.
Yeah, it's not just insulting; it should be criminal.
Yeah.
I mean, to all the lawyers out there, you guys find the offense and the criminal negligence and everything. Find this one. How in the world are we allowing this administration and people like Nancy Pelosi to continue to enrich themselves, to continue what I believe to be an intentional unraveling of our nation? It wasn't just cheap gas we were experiencing just a couple of years ago, but we had record low inflation. I think by Joe Biden inherited inflation maybe a little north of 2%, and today we're looking at 9% and growing. There is no cap on any of the inflation, on the gas prices, none of it. The shortages we're seeing not just in baby formula, but we're going to begin to see it in other categories of food. There is no end to any of it. They have no solution. And instead of resolving these issues, what did we see them doing all this week? We saw them trying to come together to codify same-sex marriage. We see them trying to codify contraceptives, so they can come together for those issues. But on the issues that affect the overwhelming majority of Americans at our kitchen table that we're really concerned with, things like an open border, inflation, gas prices, they can't seem to come together on those issues, but they can on some of the other things.